Assalamu alaikum dear students. Let's begin the session with all praise to Almighty for keeping us hale and healthy at this moment. Let's get connected with our English online session. Today's topic, what are the topics we are going to deal? British English and American English, euphemism, right definition of the term. So 3 topics we are going to learn today. British English and American English, euphemism, right definition of the term. Let's begin with the first topic, British English and American English. I hope you would have been familiar with this British English and American English in your 10th standard. Let's have a glance over a few words. First one is cot, crib, anti-clockwise, counterclockwise, atom, fall, biscuit, cookies, chips, French fries, cooker, stove or oven, sweet, candy, taxi, cab, tin, can, fellow, guy. So cot, crib, anti-clockwise, counterclockwise, atom, fall, biscuit, cookies, chips, French fries, cooker, stove, sweet, candy, taxi, cab, tin, can, fellow, guy. Next, coming to the second set of words, luggage, baggage, lorry, truck, jug, picture, holiday, vacation, corridor, passage, consultant, specialist, petrol, gasoline or gas, wash basin, sink, torch, flashlight, timetable, schedule. Luggage, baggage, lorry, truck, jug, picture, holiday, vacation, sellotape, scotch tape, storm, tempest, tap, faucet, trumpet, horn, veranda, porch, washing, laundry, curriculum vitae, resume, fever, sick, garden, yard, jam, jelly. So, sellotape, scotch tape, storm, tempest, tap, faucet, trumpet, horn, veranda, porch, goods train, freight train, lift, elevator, pavement, sidewalk, postbox, mailbox, queue, line, rubbish, garbage or trash, storm, tempest, underground, subway, cutting, clipping, dustbin, garbage can or trash can. So goods train, freight train, lift, elevator, pavement, sidewalk, postbox, mailbox, queue, line, ground floor, first floor, trainers, sneakers, elevator, lift, pram, baby carriage, eraser, rubber, hoover, vacuum, frying pan, skillet, indicator, blinker, number plate, license plate, tram, trolley. So, ground floor, first floor, trainers, sneakers, elevator, lift, pram, baby carriage, eraser, rubber. Receptionist, desk clock, dynamo, generator, flyover, overpass, full stop, period, break, recess, fortnight, 2 weeks. Here it's given wrong. Tube is not the answer. Geyser, water heater, Macintosh, raincoat, term, semester, module, class. So fortnight, the answer is 2 weeks. Next, crèche, daycare, dairy, calendar, gallery, balcony, mincer, meat grinder, spanner, monkey wrench, grill, broiler, porridge, oatmeal, maize, corn, sticking plaster, adhesive tape, mobile phone, cell phone, railway, railroad, stable, barn, crossroads, intersection, caravan, tailor, sportsman, athlete, pedestrian crossing, crosswalk, mad, crazy, accelerator, gas pedal, handbrake, emergency brake, appetizer, starter. So, crèche, daycare, dairy, calendar, gallery, balcony, mincer, meat grinder, spanner, monkey wrench, grill, broiler, porridge, oatmeal, maize, corn, sticking plaster, adhesive tape, mobile phone, cell phone, railway, railroads, table, barn, crossroads, intersection, caravan, trailer, sportsman, athlete, pedestrian crossing, crosswalk, mad, crazy, accelerator, gas pedal, handbrake, emergency brake, appetizer, starter. Next topic we are going to learn is euphemism. Have you ever heard of this term euphemism? Yes, you would have learnt in your 11th standard. Euphemism is nothing but a word or a phrase which is a substitute for harsh word or the words which are unpleasant to hear. So what is euphemism? It is nothing but words or the phrases which are substituted for harsh or blunt words or the words which are unpleasant or embarrassing to hear. For example, cheating, it can be said as professional foul. Let us have a glance over few words. First one is prison camp. It can be said as relocation center. Rebels, freedom fighters, fat, metabolically challenged, poor, economically disadvantaged, slum, substandard housing or culturally deprived neighborhood, short, vertically challenged, unemployed, between jobs, on the streets, homeless, jail, correction facility, accidental death, collateral damage, barber, hairdresser, blind, visually impaired, deaf, hearing impaired, die, bite the big bone, death, put to sleep. So, what is euphemism? Euphemism is nothing but the words or the phrases which are substituted for the words which are very harsh or unpleasant to hear. Certain words which are very embarrassing to hear. So, euphemism or the polite words in English language. Next, housewife, homemaker, handicapped, differently abled, idiot, intellectually challenged, killed, whacked, killing someone, neutralizing the target, old person, senior citizen, stupid, academically challenged, toilet, restroom, retarded, mentally challenged, cheap, economical, died, passed away. So once again, we shall have a recap of what is euphemism. Euphemism is nothing but the words or the phrases which are substituted for the words which are very harsh, unpleasant or embarrassing to the situation. So, euphemistic words or the polite words in English language. They are the polite alternatives. So, phrases with the polite alternatives are called as euphemism. The next topic we are going to learn is the right definition of the term. Let's begin with certain definitions. Linguistics, the study of language. Numismatics, it's a study of money and coins. Electrodynamics, study of electric currents and magnetic fields. Phonetics is the study of speech sounds. Aesthetics, the study of principles of beauty. Genetics, the study of genes. Statistics, it's a study of processing data, how it's stored and how it is retrieved. Politics, the study of government and its power. Aeronautics, the study of building and flying aircraft. Informatics, the study of analyzing information shown in numbers. Next, coming to few words. Archaeologist, the person who studies about artifacts and physical remains. Entomologist, one who studies insects. Geologist, the person who studies the matter which constitutes the earth. Herpetologist, one who studies about reptiles and amphibians. Linguist, one who studies languages and its structures. Meteorologist, one who studies atmosphere, weather and climate. Ornithologist, one who studies about birds. Pathologist, one who studies diseases. Seismologist, one who studies earthquakes. Sociologist, one who studies the functioning of human society. Next, coming to important words, ambidextrous, the person who has the capability of using both hands with equal facility. Bibliophile, the person who collects or fond of books. Globetrotter, the person who is fond of traveling worldwide and who loves sightseeing. Misanthrope, the person who hates mankind. Nonagenarian, the person who is between 90 and 99 years old. Optimist, the person who usually expects a favorable outcome, that is a positive thinker. Philanthropist, a person who loves mankind. Polyglot, a person have speaking, reading or writing knowledge of several languages. Sadist, someone who obtains pleasure from torturing others. Teetotaler, one who abstains completely from alcoholic beverages. Thespian, an actor or actress. So teetotaler is nothing but the person who completely avoids the alcoholic beverages. So the important words are nonagenarian, globetrotter, polyglot. Next is cardiologist, one who treats the heart problems. Dermatologist, one who specializes in skin problems. Gastroenterologist, one who treats stomach disorders. Gynecologist, one who treats diseases which is related to women. Neonatologist, one who is specialized in treating critical infants. Nephrologist, one who treats kidney diseases. Neurologist, one who treats diseases related to nervous system. Ophthalmologist, one who is specialized in vision problems. Otolaryngologist, one who treats the problems of ear, nose, tongue. Pulmonologist, one who specializes in lung problems. Ecology, study of relationship between living organisms and their environment. Cynology, study of dog training. Ichthyology, study of fish. Ornithology, study of birds. Zoology, study of birds' eggs. Next is absenteeism, habitual failure to be present at work. Amateurism, participating in sports as a hobby rather than for money. So it's an important question. What is amateurism? Participating in sports as a hobby rather than for money. Barbarism, a brutal, savage act. Criticism, a serious examination and judgment of something. Egocentrism, concern for your own interest and welfare. This is also an important question. What is egocentrism? Concern for your own interest and welfare. Feminism, a doctrine that advocates equal rights for women. That is, feminism deals with rights for women. Heroism, exceptional courage when facing danger. Idealism, belief that the best possible concepts should be pursued. Nationalism, the doctrine that your country's interests are superior. Optimism, so it is nothing but a positive thinking. Patriotism, a love for your country. Next is acaricide, killing of mites, that is insects. Deicide, killing of God or divine being. Fratricide, killing of one's brother or sister. Genocide, killing of people. Homicide, killing of another person. Infanticide, killing of a child. Matricide, killing of mother. Patricide, killing of father. Regicide, killing of a king. Suicide, killing of oneself. Bibliomania, a craze for books. Dipsomania, insatiable craving for alcoholic beverages. That is uncontrolled love, craving towards alcoholic beverages. Kleptomania, a strong desire to steal. Megalomania, mental illness. Mythomania, abnormal tendency to lie. Plutomania, abnormal craving for wealth. Pyromania, an obsessive desire to set fire. Squandermania, spending money lavishly and wastefully. Theomania, belief that one is God. Zoomania, abnormal love of animals. Acousticophobia, fear of noise. Acrophobia, fear of heights. Agoraphobia, fear of open spaces. Amnesiophobia, fear of amnesia. Anthophobia, fear of flowers. Arsenophobia, fear of fire. Autophobia, fear of being alone. Bibliophobia, fear of books. Bromidrophobia, fear of body smells. Carcinophobia, fear of cancer. Claustrophobia, fear of enclosed space. Cyberphobia, fear of computers. Cyanophobia, fear of dogs. Demophobia, fear of crowds. Echophobia, fear of home. Glossophobia, fear of speaking in public place. Hydrophobia, fear of water. Mastigophobia, fear of punishment. Melophobia, fear of music. Nyctophobia, fear of darkness. Ocophobia, fear of vehicles. Onerophobia, fear of dreams. Phasmophobia, fear of ghosts. Plutophobia, fear of wealth. Psychophobia, fear of mind. Radiophobia, fear of radiations. Rupophobia, fear of dirt. Scolinophobia, fear of school. Cytophobia, fear of food. Tachophobia, fear of speed. Theophobia, fear of God. Xenophobia, fear of strangers or foreigners. Assignment questions have been given for you. Today we have learned 3 different topics. Kindly go through the topics twice in order to get a better understanding of the topics. First one is the right definition of the term. A person who is fond of books, one who studies birds, one who uses both hands with equal facility, one who studies fossils. Fear of punishment, a person who speaks, reads, writes several languages. One is mankind, the study of money and coins. Habitual failure to be present at work, a person who believes that worst will happen. Person who is slow and unwilling to express the opinions. So you have to learn the right definition of the term and write the definition of the term correctly. Next is you have to match the British English with American English. Movie, you have to find out the answer in the next column. Torch, fall, soccer, sneakers, can, candy, subway, pacifier, eraser, apartment, closet, mail, cab, drapes, yard, vacation, chips, faucet, pants, corn. Next assignment is euphemism. You have to replace the words in italics with words below. So died, the answer is given in the choose the option. So you have to choose. My grandfather died last year. He couldn't run fast because he was fat. He was sentenced 3 years in prison because of theft. Excuse me, sir, where can I find the toilet? So you have to find similarly. Next you have to connect the blend phrases with the euphemism. That is, you have to match. Be economical with truth. Be under the weather. Under the influence. Economically disadvantaged. Between jobs. Casualties. Be 6 feet under. Thank you students for watching the video.